friends, welcome back to Keeping Up with Miss Electra. And today's haul is a Kirklands haul, but I really want to show you what I picked up that I put on my wall. So I angled it so you won't see it. Kind of like a surprise, I guess. I don't know. So really this video is to show you what I chose for on top of my couch. I finally did get something. All right. And when I was there, I just picked up a few little things for Easter, which I want to show you guys what I picked up. All right, the first thing is this Easter wooden sign. I liked it because of the font. It was script, and it was made out of wood, and I just liked it. And it was white, you know, neutral. So, very pretty font. That's what sold me. And then I picked up these two nests. I thought they were very pretty, these nests. They look very real. And I liked they were little white eggs, again, neutral. So I thought they were very, very pretty. And they look real and dried. So that's why, you know, I chose these. And I think they're really, really cute. I don't know where I'm going to put them yet, but they're cute. And then I found this big carrot made out of, I don't know, what is that, Willow. And I like the way the leaves were. So this is really pretty and very rustic-y a little. And I like these green leaves looked very real to me. So I like that. You can hang this up or just place it down. Whatever you want to do. You can do so many things with this. So this is really cute. See, you can even like place it right here. Okay, you see, I even hung it, has a string. I hung it right here. Even over there, it looks cute. I'm not going to leave it there, but what I'm trying to show you is you can put it anywhere. All right. Okay, and then I found these beads, which I love them. I love these because they're distressed, and I just love the way the beads look, and then they have like a little leather tassel. They had other colors. I picked white, and I just love this, and I'm going to decorate with this for Easter too, and I think it would look really, really cute. You see even these two right here. Very cute, very neutral, and you can do a lot with these because it's white. So what I like to do lately is like decorate my main things white, like how I did my couch. That's the easiest way to decorate, I find, is when you go with a neutral color, and then when you want to change your pillows, or you want that pop of pink, or you want that pop of blue, it's very easy to incorporate. So like right now, I can just take those black pillows out and just start adding blue, and then maybe a little blue accent here and there, and then the whole room feels like it's kind of bluish. So that's why it's very, you know, very important that your couches are neutral, even a light cream or a light beige, because a lot of people don't want white because it gets dirty, and with the children, and Daisy is barking. Okay, I had to tell her to be quiet because I'm filming. She's so cute. She's barking at the neighbors. All right, so these beads are really, really cute. I don't know, I took the tag, but they weren't a lot, and maybe they were like $7. And then I picked up this pillow, this blue one. I don't know if I'm going to put this in my bedroom because my bedroom has a little blue in it, but look how pretty this is. When I saw it, I just loved it. I like the texture, you know, and it's very good when you decorate to have your pillows to have texture like this. So, right, like I told you, right now I can make my living room blue by just taking the black pillows, the black blanket, and putting these blue, and then adding just a little blue here and there, like even blue flowers or a blue little vase or something blue, and that's how you make your room like blue feel. Like right now, spring's coming, I know, very florally, so it's easy to incorporate that when the, like basically, the canvas is kind of neutral. A little tip today, guys. So, yeah. All right. So, oh, I forgot to tell you. So, yeah, I love this pillow. It's kind of like denim, you know, which I love denim for furniture and for pillows. I really do. And I just love that this, I don't know what it is, crochet fringe. Very pretty, and this would be good to put on my bed too, because it would add texture to my bed, because it's all white with a little blue, and then this will make it pop, and then it has a little texture, which is great. Okay, so yeah, I love this pillow. So now I'm going to show you what I picked up from Kirkland's, what I put on my wall finally. Okay, this is what I found in Kirkland's. I like it, and it came with the wreath too. And it was on sale. I think it was like $59. It was a big sale was going on, so it was marked down. Then I got it for even cheaper, so that was good. And it came with the wreath, and I like because it's all chippy. Let me show you guys. So I just love it. I don't know if I'm going to put something on the side, but this is how it is right now. I just love it. And I like it goes with my lantern over there. I don't know. I think I need something on the side. Alright, so this is what I chose, and I can always change out the wreath, or I could put something in the wreath right now for Easter, so I'm happy with that. So I finally got something for up here. Okay, so that's what I decided to put on my wall right now. I like that it came with a wreath, so it was like instant, you know, I get 2 for 1. I didn't have to go look for a wreath or anything to put on it. So right now I can put like carrots around there, I could put a little bunny, I can decorate it, or even put like a sign in the middle of the wreath. And that's it, like I'm done. So, and I can change out the wreath, I can do whatever I want, but I feel like I need something on the sides, or I could have got 2 of those. I don't know, I might put something on the sides, but I will let you guys know. So I think it came out nice. So don't forget, I have a lot of videos coming up. I'm going to show you how I'm going to decorate my living room for Easter, definitely. I'm in the process of doing that. Getting a lot of things ready to film and show you how I decorate and give you guys some ideas. And if you like my video today and you like what I got above my couch, give this video a thumbs up. Tell me what you like that I picked today. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button so you can get subscribed and be part of my channel and see the stuff that I do on my channel. I will see you in my next video, and I hope you always remember to keep designing life. Bye!